Hi everyone! Let me show you creative hands-on ideas for letter F this week that actually work. Let's get started. This is a simple treasure box. I just grabbed things lying around the house, a fork, a feather, and paired them with matching vocabulary cards. And then came F for fruit cutting using Velcro toy fruits. Kids love the slicing motion with the play knife and that satisfying snap sound. Next, we tried transferring water using a flower. It's such a calming activity. Dip, soak, squeeze into another bowl. Feels like a mini science experiment. Fishing with a magnetic rod was super hit. We made little fish out of pipe cleaners, popped them in water, and the fishing began. Then we explored flip-flop pattern matching in a sensory bin filled with dry petal. It became a color plus texture hunt. It's good for visual skills. We also created letter F using the flower petals on a printable mat. It turned out beautiful and sneaky fine motor work. It felt like building art with nature. Animal sorting was up next. Farm animals versus the wild animals. My little one loved placing the cows and pigs in one pile and lion elephant in another. Then we did something magical. Blooming paper flowers. Just fold the petals inward, drop them in water and watch them open slowly like real blossoms. It was exciting for my little one. You can check the link below for the printables. Shapes with the flowers. We used real flowers to form the triangles, the circles and squares. It was like turning the geometry into garden time. And of course, the classical salt ray tracing. Colorful salt, a flashcard nearby and little fingers tracing letter F. Next was the Play-Doh mat time to learn the letter formation. For tactile tracing, we use the wooden letter formation toy. The smooth surface makes it fun to trace with the fingers. Next, we did the flower stamping by dipping them in paint and printing blooms across the paper. It's beautiful, na? Then we matched the real flowers with the numbers, counting and keeping the marigold flowers below each number, and counting became very fun. For spatial skill development, we made the fork pattern cards. Kids have to arrange the forks in the patterns matching the cards. It's a simple setup but really boosts the spatial skills. Flower seed counting on Play-Doh flowers came the next. We cut out the Play-Doh flower shapes using the cookie cutter, numbered them and placed the seeds inside each flower. It's a sneaky way to bring in maths and fine motor skills in one go. Now for some fizzy fun. We traced the alphabets with the baking soda, poured the colored vinegar over it using a dropper and watched it fizz. Marigold painting was a big hit. Dip a real flower in paint, press it down and boom! It leaves behind a gorgeous pattern. It turned out to be lovely art. We also explored the flowers on a tray like sunflower, rose, daisy, marigold. We learned their names, identification. We looked at the colors and the textures. It turned out into a mini flower lesson. And it's story time for letter F. Books like Festivals of India, A Fishy Story, How Do Flowers Grow, Tadpole to Frog, Let's Go to the Farm, as well as the fruits, all tied beautifully into the theme F. The printable worksheets, paper craft activities, do-a-dot fun, tracing activities, the coloring activities, matching worksheets. You can find all the printable links in the description box below. And don't forget to like, subscribe and come back next week for letter G. Thank you.